Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more updates. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing letter on Pixel Lab easily. On the Pixel Lab, select the text, edit by writing, size the letter, font of letter, adjust the letter, select the texture, go to the gallery, select a picture, adjust the picture of letter, duplicate the letter, select the color filter, change the background color, select a sticker, please like the video and subscribe the channel.